This is the elevator at the Conference Center at Penn State, New Kensington, in New Kensington, Pennsylvania. This is an Eastern elevator with Atom Survivor fixtures. Notice that there's an out of service light there. That's kind of interesting. It's a WN button, or WN light. Atom's WN. Ooh, green foam. I didn't notice that. Go to 4. Interior go up. There's an annoying fan. This is also connected to the missile line which doesn't have an elevator, I don't think. Down didn't light up this time. We'll go back down to 1. ADFO. Eastern certificate installed in 2000. Campus building map. This is the Penn State satellite campus, so pretty much all the buildings are connected. And it's very small. Basic cab. You kind of feel the fan is over there, which is kind of interesting. Tiny thing of tin foil there. Go back at 1. I think there's one more elevator in the athletic center, but it's tiny, so and it doesn't show up there, so it may be like a wheelchair lift or something. I hope it's not a wheelchair lift. There's also like a dumbwaiter in the. Of course, that's going to be in the cafe, but couldn't access it.